Marriage is perfect when you know that you are with someone so close, your emotion is yours forever in mind. It's a real feelings which is enclosed. I wish you happiness in this way. I wish you good luck for all the days, for it's a new beginning for you, my dear. Smile along and do not forget to cheer marriage is a beautiful thing and rejoice us this moment will not come again in life. Congrats to you and your partner for your wedding. That lovely gown of yours, that lovely gown and that area on the head feel special as it's your day, my friend, when you will hold the hand and kiss. Not a moment will be missed. Your besides will stand behind you and make the moment memorable for you. Your loved ones will bless you along the way, and you will have an emotional say. Today it's your day, so cherish this day with love. Wedding is special, and you will know for sure all the meanings and fun galore. Congrats on your wedding day. It is the day of love in life. It's the perfect time to celebrate love. It's a perfect association to start all new. Wedding is the perfect time to confess your love, a love so pure and a love so true. Do it today, as you will take that wedding vow and walk along that path, being happy. I wish you and your hobby to be lifetime of togetherness and wishes to see it's a perfect time to start your new life. So cherish this time forever and ever. This won't come back again. Congrats to you on your wedding day. All the priceless moment moments, all the priceless moments and happiness, all the love and all that care. You know that from today in your life. Someone will always be there to love you and understand you, to make your day as bright as how wedding is and a special time. You meet your partner, distant cherish this moment and this day. Cherish this for a lifetime, as it will be formed in your heart forever. Many congrats to you and your partner. Look at you. Look at the stars above. The stars above will shine for you, making it a dream wedding. All through, look at the happiness on each one's face. Look at you, pretty dress and grace. This moment should pray with time so that you remember it with your heart. A day when you are making it merry. A day when you are having a start of a new life with your partner. Congrats to you on your wedding day. Wish you have a blissful life ahead, a life full of happiness and love, a life that will be wonderful for people who are really beautiful.